Well, in this video, I will show you how you can put battery widgets like this on your Mac. So, in order to do this, you need to update your macOS to the latest version. So it is the Mac Sonoma. If you don't have this Mac OS yet, you can easily do it by going to System Settings and easily click on the software update and make sure that you are on the latest macOS. So if you are on the latest macOS, you can easily get this by double clicking click on the desktop using two fingers, right clicking, then click on edit widgets. After you click on edit widgets, you can click on batteries and then you can find these widgets. You can choose one of those three widgets here, but for me I choose this one because it is I should be choosing this one in order to more balance it out like this. And now you have the battery widgets on the left side of your screen. But if you are feeling that my Mac is a little bit way too wide, how I do that is by going through this display and make sure that you are on more space so you can put more widgets on your screen. Well, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.